Today we will use these purple yams or purple potatoes from my garden and make sticky rice and turn my sticky rice purple, giving natural color to the rice. So first you wash the purple yam, you peel it off, you steam them. Once the purple yams has been steamed, you mix with the soaked rice. Mix it really well so that everything looks purple like this. And then you will take this and you will steam the rice in the rice steamer for about 30 minutes or so. Cho con lá purple nó ít cho cứ yo băng cho cái chọn trái cái ô tơ ít cho mỏm lê lá cứ yo natural luôn để cho con lá nó có ô tơ cho mỏm lê lộn tơ cá cho chở hai chữ căng lên nữa. Now take it out of the steamer and this is what it looks like. Smells really good.